turns to taking everything that they hand us, doing things they said I wouldn't do. And they get jealous when the whole city looks up to you. I'm up against the world, no matter what happens next. I'm steady chasing my dreams while they just talking it. Caring less about my actions to enjoy the ride. Living life like I've got more than time. Something came from nothing, nobody wants us to win. And that's what kept me pushing when I wanted this to end. I put in the time, staying up while they slept. Always had determination to get it till nothing's left. On the verge of success, I'm still holding on. These memories can fade, but are really never gone. Nothing worth achieving never happened overnight. That's why I've been upright in the past 2 years of my life. Dues are getting paid, I am everything you made. The only time you'll find me sleeping is when I'm in my grave like tomorrow's never great, so it's living out my voice in too many hours. Caring what people say, they can hate us anyway. And I'm just on any way, meaning gotta hate it. You about to make that break away. When they try to slow us down, it's when I lose my limits. I know I'm set aside from all of these other limits. It's how you chase a dream, set the pace and go and do it. And then they turn around and tell you your dream's stupid. I'm so done with people like that. Really want people like this. They work until what they want is what they actually get. Life's a journey, hopping down for the trip. Probably getting a grip. Broke my heart so I see it, so how it's good to this. Like it's good in the sky, so all I'm seeing is highs. And I know that I'll make it, I got the will to survive. We're the ones that took a risk, we're the ones that took a chance. So everybody is wishing they could do it how we did.
I hear voices in my head. I have never felt so strained, my mind's spinning. I see things I've never seen. I feel almost like it's a new beginning. I hear words I've never heard and don't know if I'm prepared for this moment. But this feeling turns me on. I am happy, I am strong, my heart's open. Something happened now, but I don't know what. Maybe it's the time that I fell in love. Baby, dance with me, but don't change the song. Now I know for sure why I fell in love, why I fell in love. Why I fell in love. Maybe it's the time that I fell in love. Why I fell in love. Dance with me, but don't change the song.